Hello everyone. It's been a fairly warm day today, but as usual for this fall, that's not really going to be lasting too much longer for us. Let's take a look at what we're going to be dealing with. No surprise, more winter weather in the forecast. Anywhere shaded in blue, we've got a winter weather advisory for most of those areas. That's going to be going into effect Saturday evening and lasting through the day on Sunday. In the purple, it's actually a winter storm watch. In general, rain, snow, and ice all possible. Some spots are going to pick up heavy snow and also some icy, slippery roads with that rain possible in the forecast too. So let's take a look at temperatures. Right now, temperatures have actually fallen a little bit in Great Falls to 56 degrees. We're down to about 41 in Helena, 56 in Lewistown. But it's been a much warmer day than it has been over the past several here as far as peak wind gusts. Hasn't been that windy in Helena, but definitely in Great Falls and along the Rocky Mountain front, we've seen some pretty strong wind gusts, and that's going to bring us some fairly mild temperature through the night tonight. Helena's going to be getting a little bit cooler, as is places like Glasgow and Havre, falling into the 30s, but many of us staying mild overnight, and temperatures are going to be warm, at least to start the day for Saturday, but then a cold front's going to move through and really cool us down. As far as winds, they're going to start to die down here through the evening. In fact, they've already started to die down in some spots, and they will briefly increase tomorrow as that cold front starts to push through. So let's take a look at that front here. Not really here through the night tonight. We're dealing with some clearing areas and some areas with a little bit more cloud cover. By tomorrow morning, we start to see that front push through. It's already passed into parts of the High Line in northeast Montana by Saturday morning, and it continues to work its way through the south through the day tomorrow. Now, the exact timing on this cold front is still up in the air a little bit. It looks like anywhere between the afternoon to early evening that's going to be pushing through, and then it's behind that front that we really see most of that precipitation. So here's midnight again. Take these times with a little bit of looseness here because they could change a little. But in general, into the evening, we expect a little bit of rain on the leading edge of that. Off to the north, it's mostly going to be a snow event, and pretty much as we head through the day, or excuse me, the night on Saturday and through the day on Sunday, that's where we're going to see that transition to mostly a snow event. So we expect, again, rain to start things off. That may freeze on the roads because freezing rain is also a possibility, and then snow. So when you've got ice and snow on top of it, that's kind of a worst-case scenario for driving. Here's what we're thinking for the snowfall forecast. This has changed pretty significantly since yesterday. Definitely some heavier spots, especially along the High Line. So some models are saying it's going to be kind of right along the High Line that picks up the worst of the snow. Some say it's going to be between about Havre and Lewistown. So I've kind of highlighted both of those areas in the purple here. That's where you could get 6 inches or even more than 6 inches of snow, going about 2 to 4 for Great Falls, 2 to 4 for Cutbank. Some heavier snow totals probably going to be along the Rocky Mountain front as well, between that 3 to 6 inch area, and then down toward places like Helena and Bozeman, less snow, trace to 2 inches. But even where we don't pick up all that much snow, even as much as little as 1 inch of snow, if we do get that rain or freezing rain beforehand and that freezes, it's going to make for some very icy roads. So be prepared for very slippery travel on Sunday. That might be a good day to stay inside, and of course stay up to date with us. We'll have the latest updates on the forecast and the latest reports as this system moves in. Thanks for watching.